Meet the HyperX Cloud II gaming headset, built for immersive 7.1 surround sound and crystal-clear in-game audio. With memory foam comfort and a durable aluminum frame, it's made for long, intense gaming sessions. What's in the box? In the box, you find the HyperX Cloud II gaming headset, detachable microphone, extra ear cushions, USB control box, and user manual. How to wear. Wear the headphones with the L logo on your left ear and the R logo on your right ear. Adjust the length of the headband should fit comfortably. How to pair. To connect the HyperX Cloud II gaming headset properly, plug the USB sound card into your computer first. Then attach the headset to the sound card instead of using the AUX cable alone. Once connected, wait for your system to recognize it as HyperX Virtual Surround Sound, ensuring the drivers are active and ready. After that, open the Updater tool to check for the latest firmware and complete the update for optimal performance and sound quality. Smart features? Delivers highly immersive audio with precise directional accuracy, helping you clearly hear in-game movements like footsteps and gunfire. It enhances your spatial awareness, giving you a competitive edge in gaming. Provides ultra-soft cushioning that adapts to the shape of your ears for a snug, personalized fit. It ensures long-lasting comfort even during extended gaming sessions. Deliver rich, detailed audio with crisp highs, clear mids, and deep, punchy bass for an immersive sound experience. They ensure every in-game detail is heard with precision, enhancing both gaming and entertainment. Provides a strong, lightweight build designed to withstand long-term use and intense gaming sessions. It ensures lasting stability and reliability without adding extra weight or discomfort. Gives you quick access to volume control, mic mute, and surround sound activation for easy adjustments during gameplay. It enhances audio processing for clearer, more immersive sound and better communication. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the HyperX Cloud II gaming headset from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your HyperX Cloud II gaming headset. See you at the next one.